Hi, my name is Ken. I'm a former student from MAGES Institute. I took a diploma in game design. Before I studied at MAGES, I used to work as an optometrist for 2 years. During those 2 years, even though the work experience there was fine, I decided that I wanted to branch out with my career. So I went online to look up for various courses on game design, and that's where I found MAGES. Went to look deeper on the history of MAGES whatsoever. I saw that they had alumni which won some awards. The teaching staff there were mostly had background in game design as well. For example, like 10 years in the working field. So with teachers with work experience previously, it should be able to translate into some hands-on experience that they'll be able to pass on to us to learn. The most memorable experience I had in this course was when I first made my first program during the very first module we learned. So previously, before this course, my extent of game design was mostly using pre-built programs such as RPG Maker, or maybe even before that was Warcraft 3 World Editor. So I always enjoyed the process of creating stuff. So when doing this course, the first time I actually created my first program and saw it run, it was a feeling of, I made this. This is my thing. I put in my effort to create this product that other people can enjoy. The most important thing I learned during this course would be the management of time and resources. Because during the final year project for our diploma, our final year project was to create a game with the rest of the classmates in our diploma. So me and two others, we came up with an idea of making a Metroidvania. But as we are all new, we sort of like went for a basic idea and they sort of kept building up into too many features for the time frame. So we had to learn on how to get rid of what features were not necessary and what was needed for the project. This course is I'm not going to lie, it's a little fast-paced because they'll cram a lot of materials into a 1 year of studying. But even so, it's still very easy to digest and keep up. For example, I have no experience in programming before I joined this course, but the lecturers were able to break up the material in a way that was easy for me to learn and digest and make sure that I have core foundation before moving on to the next module. So that way, even though it was quite hectic and fast-paced because I had to learn everything from scratch, I was able to still be able to keep up with the rest of the classmates who had years of experience in programming. So if you have any game development dreams, head down to MAGES Institute. It's honestly a really rewarding experience.